is Toria. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really exciting one. I want to thank you guys so much for 500,000 views on my Chloe Ting Hourglass Challenge video. If you guys haven't seen that one already, I'll tag it up here for you. Thank you guys so much for the support and encouraging words, and I'm so happy to meet so many more of you. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload. Also, pop on over and follow me on Instagram because I'm very active there. I post there every single day and we will have a lot of fun. I've seen so many people here on YouTube testing out viral TikTok recipes. So I wanted to do my own today. I picked out 4 recipes from TikTok and I'm actually going to try and make them a little healthier. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for a snack. I'm starving. Let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to make is, drumroll please, pancake cereal. I'm sure that you guys have seen that everywhere. Everybody's been trying it. So basically what pancake cereal is you whip up pancake batter and drip it into tiny, teeny, tiny little pancakes all over the pan. Flip all of those so that you have these little like dime-sized pancakes. Put them all in a bowl, and some people I've seen were adding milk to it. Some people were just adding some maple syrup to it. So I think today we're probably going to do just maple syrup because I feel like milk would make it soggy, right? Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm very excited just thinking about it right now. So we're gonna make pancake cereal, but we're gonna make protein pancake cereal. All in all, if this recipe pans out, it should be about 25 grams of protein. First things first, I'm separating 2 egg whites. And as you can see, I'm not very good at it, but I just scooped it out. It doesn't matter if there's a little bit in there. Beat those just a little bit. You don't really need to do this, but I felt like it would break it up a little bit more. I added 1 scoop of my chocolate protein powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of stevia mix, and then added water until it was pretty much the consistency I wanted. Then I took a Ziploc bag, put it inside a bowl so that it would make it really easy to fill. Close the top there, and then I'm just going to cut off the little corner and create my little teeny tiny pancakes on my preheated pan. Then I'm just going to try and flip them over one by one, which you can see takes forever. So eventually I just started scooping them and flipping them haphazardly, and that worked out a lot better. And here is the beautiful result. I would personally only recommend doing this one time and one time ever because it takes so long and is totally not worth the effort. But hey, if you're bored. Okay guys, moment of truth. I'm so excited. It smells so good. They're definitely not as cute as the ones on the TikToks are, but flipping each of these individually was absolutely ridiculous. So we did what we could. Use a little bit more syrup. One of the 4 main food groups. Now that's what I'm talking about. And next up we have a peanut butter banana mug cake. Very excited about that. I love banana bread, love peanut butter. Those things are both very good for you to begin with. Okay, so after watching that recipe back, I realized that one was actually already healthy, so we're just gonna make it as is. So we're gonna take 1 banana in a bigger mug, and we're just gonna mash that up. Okay, and then we're gonna add our almond milk. And our egg. Our tablespoon of peanut butter. A little bit of Himalayan salt. And 3 tablespoons of organic coconut flour. And then finally some chocolate chips. Excuse me, but that looks so good. How exciting. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's try out this banana bread. It smells good. Ooh, it's still hot. Definitely good. Not as sweet as I would want it to be. So if I were to make this again, I would add a little bit of that stevia sweetener just to make it a little bit more sweet, or maybe some maple syrup or something like that. Okay, what's next? So the third recipe we're gonna make today is a personal protein pizookie. Say that 5 times fast.
Sometimes I feel kind of bad for forcing my family to eat all the stuff I make, so today I made a personal pizookie. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, a tablespoon of granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt. Mix everything together, add some chocolate chips, put it in your ramekin. Then you're going to preheat the oven to 375 and bake that for about 15 to 18 minutes. I added some ice cream and it was so good.
This is actually going to be a chocolate version because I only have chocolate protein powder. So we're going to make this kind of like a Dutch cocoa cookie thing, and it's going to be delicious. So we're going to use chocolate protein powder. We're going to sub flour for coconut flour and try and figure out how to get that to work. And subbing the sugar for the stevia erythritol blend again. We are still adding chocolate chips here, but I'm going to be switching it up a little bit, and I'll add some butterscotch chips. Starting off with another scoop of the RSP TrueFit chocolate protein powder, followed by a teaspoon of black Dutch cocoa powder, and then a tablespoon of that stevia mix, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder. We will mix those all together really quickly. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce and 1 egg. And then I'm also going to add some coconut flour, a tablespoon at a time, until I get the desired consistency. Okay, so it's not as thick as her cookie dough, but it's pretty thick. I think it's going to be good. I don't want to make it too dry, so I'm going to stop at 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. Now we can add our chippies, 2 tablespoons of butterscotch chips. I think my ramekins are a little smaller than hers because this looks like a lot to go in one, so we're going to make 2 and share with Mike. So maybe this will be more like a brownie than a cookie, but it's a chocolate cookie, so we'll see what kind of consistency it has once it comes out. Okay, so now I'm adding these to the oven for about 18 minutes. I'm so excited for these. Alright guys, here it is. Looks like cake. More like cake than a cookie, but I'm sure it's going to be delicious. It's a little puffy, fluffy, delicious. Butterscotch chips kind of melted and exploded everywhere, but that's okay. I think it'll just add to the flavor. And ooh, it smells so good. I'm really excited. Darn it. I'm thinking it looks a little bit dry, and maybe I should have pulled it out earlier. I just thought it wasn't cooked all the way through. So I'd say maybe pull it out at 17 minutes instead of 20 minutes, and it might be perfect. maybe a little bit less, but it does look really good. Okay, time to try the chocolate pizookie. It's good. It's definitely good. Definitely more of a brownie than a cookie. I definitely wish I had white chocolate chips for this. I don't know what it is. I don't think I really like butterscotch chips that much, so I think that's the only thing throwing me off is I just taste a lot of butterscotch. But other than that, definitely really good. Like I said, just don't cook it as long as I did and you should be fine. Yeah, I definitely would make this again. Wouldn't think that there's like 20 grams of protein in this, so it is approved. And then last but not least, our final recipe is going to be the least healthy one, but it's probably going to be the most delicious, honestly. And that is air fryer Oreos. Because you can't really make a healthy Oreo, so that's fine. I actually think I have like 3 more left in this package. They're probably a little stale, but it's still gonna work, so yours will probably be better. Instead of buttermilk pancake mix, I'm gonna try is this Kodiak Cakes Power Cakes protein pancake mix in the cinnamon oat flavor. I wish this was the plain flavor, but it's not, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of the Kodiak cake pancake mix, and I'll add a tablespoon at a time of water until we get the right consistency. Good to me. It'd probably be just slightly thicker, so maybe 2 tablespoons of pancake mix to 1.5 tablespoons of water. And we've preheated our air fryer to 400. We're gonna take our Oreos. Here, we only have 3 left. And dip them in the pancake mix, just like so. And lift those into the bottom of the air fryer. And I'm going to cook at 400 for 5 minutes. They look good. They're a little brown. Maybe they shouldn't have cooked for entirely that long, but it should be fine. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks so good. That looks delicious. Okay, I can't even wait for these. They're probably gonna be like fire engine lava hot, but we're just gonna go in. These are my fave. These are so good. And the cinnamon oat of this pancake mix didn't ruin it because I just feel like the flavor of the Oreo kind of overpowers it. Well, today has been amazing. Thank you guys for joining me on my little TikTok recipe adventure. I feel like it was pretty successful. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload. Let me know down below which of these recipes you're most likely to recreate or which one was your favorite. And let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future because this was really fun. I got to just like kind of chill and bake and cook and eat all day. So who wants anything more than that in life, really? Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.